court action, Mr. President. The court action.
No, can't talk about that. I'm not a lawyer. What's your problem?
Ngozibadlela owayengumengameli uJacob Zuma wanqaba ukuphawula ngemizamo yakhe yokufuna ukushushisa uMengameli uRamaphosa ngasese. Manje kulenyanga lempi yezomthetho kulindele kuba ilalelwe amajaji amathathu enkantolo ePhakeme.
It was a complaint with respect to the conduct of two advocates that serve the National Prosecuting Agency. The request was for the President to intervene. That intervention will have been carried under the laws that guide the work that the President does.
Inhlangano eJacob Zuma Foundation ithi lolu daba aliphuthumi futhi lungavikelwa enkantolo yobugebengu mhla ziyishumi kwephezulu.
This is abuse of authority, this is abuse of process, this is abuse of courts, this is really seeking preferential treatment. All people that face criminal charges go and appear in court. President Ramaphosa is criminally charged. 19th January is the date. He must go and answer all the issues that is now trying to raise.
Umhlazi wezombusazwe ukholwa ukuthi sinabo ubuqotho isicelo sika Mengameli ephuthumayo.
Now, Jacob Zuma obtained a nolly prosecute certificate against Karen Moore and advocate Billy Downer pertaining to the disclosure of his medical records before the High Court, and that it was a contravention of the NPA Act. But nowhere on that nolly prosecute certificate appears President Ramaphosa's name. And in that regard, I think that it is an abuse. I don't foresee there being any chances of success.
Lolu daba kulindele ukuba luqale ukuqulwa kusasa libumbene ihora leshumi.